Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming the device model and OS version so you know where the control lives. Open Settings, look for display or screen options immediately. This is where brightness lives. Once there, make sure auto brightness is off if you want to set a fixed level. Otherwise, leave it enabled to allow automatic adjustments. You're doing this to control light output precisely, reduce eye strain, or save battery. So begin with the exact control panel now. Now, move the slider or press the dedicated keyboard brightness keys to change level in small steps. This prevents overshooting. Watch the screen in the room's typical lighting to judge comfort and contrast. You want readable text without glare. If the OS offers scheduling or adaptive profiles, configure them to match morning versus evening levels so the screen eases your eyes automatically. Make incremental adjustments and wait a few seconds after each change to let your eyes adapt and to evaluate the real effect. To finish, confirm the chosen brightness across several apps because some applications or video players override system settings. Once satisfied, lock the setting or create a profile if your OS supports it. If the brightness control is unresponsive, restart the device and then check display drivers or system updates. Outdated drivers often block adjustments. As a last resort, use the Monitor OSD or a reputable external app, but make sure native controls are tried first to avoid conflicts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.